Being once again with the twin, what it is, cap chin, exposed cuffing. So, took a little summit run this morning, again. About my 8th trip and got down the last week. When I got them flows, twin flows, super 40s. Just like I told you. When it got that, what else I went and got? When it got that new dipstick for my transmission. You ready to slap that on in there. You can see I ain't got none in there. It's still capped off when I got it back from the shop. About a couple of for my cold air intake. I was gonna use it. Cause I was damn. I'm not with me placing shit. Let me see where the hell I put it. Oh yeah, where is it? So this my mass airflow. And you see, Gen 4 shit is a whole lot different from Gen 3. I went Gen 4 with my build. You know what I'm saying? I got the new Earth one. Man, like a 2009. And up. Anyway, got that duck on there. I mean, got that cold air. That cold air. Man, what the hell, a bird? But anyway, I got that cold air. Goddamn intake on this motherfucker. You see what's going on? Yeah, got everything in blood. Everything locked in. Everything parallel. Everything clean the hood. I can close my hood down. Hit that on there. I told you that wasn't gonna be on there long. You see where it's at? And it's been replaced. You see what's going on, man. Got a ducked off. Dumped that bit right over there in the corner. I catch all that good cold air, man. See what's going on. So back to what I was saying. Mass airflow. Now, normally, I supposed to goddamn, you know what I'm saying? I supposed to cut my goddamn tube, right? I supposed to cut it. And goddamn, had this in the middle. You know what I'm saying? And that's where a coupler was gonna come in at. You know what I'm saying? For the went in there, locked down, coupler for the cut the other end, locked on to the pipe, to my tube, and on down there over there. But I ain't use it. You know what I'm saying? I had another vision. So with this cold air intake, with this setup, it come with the mass airflow sensor already built into the tube. The only difference from this and that one is I got to buy this one separately, you know what I'm saying? And this one come built up in there. It's built in there. You got to put the whole mechanism or whatever you want to call it. You got to put the whole thing in between the tube. I ain't feel like doing all that. I paid my money for this motherfucker. I wasn't finna cut shit, man. So I'm gonna just take my cheap ass up to the AutoZone, get them folk that little $100, slap a mass outflow in there, hook my wire up, hook my plug up to it, turn my key. Another thing I went and got, this is a highly angle adapter. And what that do is straighten up your throttle battery. So now I got that in there flush. Got inches. Clean my goddamn alternator. Like I said, dumped over there in the corner. So that's what's going on, y'all. We getting closer and closer to success. Keep y'all updated what I got going on. Still gotta go get my battery terminal. Wire up my wire. I'll be able to crank that motherfucker up for y'all. But in the meantime, Like, subscribe, get at me. Cap 10 Exposed Customs. LS Sawp. Chew.